everyone, my name is Katya, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet these adorable coasters. They look like flowers, but when you take them out, it's a coaster. And today I will show you how to work on this coaster. If you're interested on how to crochet this basket, I will leave the link right on top over here and you can check it out. I do have a full video on it. So let's crochet some coasters. For this project, I'm using 100% cotton yarn. It's a number 4 medium weight yarn with a 5mm crochet hook. Quickly wanted to show you that if you want your coaster to be smaller, you can chain 2 instead of chain 3. And this one is measuring 6 inches. And the one that we're working on today is measuring about 6.5 inches wide because we chain 3 for the petals. So you choose which way you want to work on. You can either chain 2 in this round or chain 3 to make them larger. We're going to start with the magic ring. Hold on to your yarn tail with your thumb. Wrap your yarn around your 2 fingers. Crisscross it in the front. Hold on to your working yarn with your ring finger. Insert your hook into the first circle. Using the second circle, bring out a loop. Go into your working yarn and chain 1. Here we work the magic ring with the chain 1. Chain 1 more. Into this magic ring, we're going to work 12 double crochets. So here's 1. Go back into the magic ring and work your second double crochet. 2, 3, 4. Continue working on your double crochets. At the end of this round, you should have 12 double crochets. At the end of round 1, you should have 12 double crochets. Go ahead and pull on this yarn tail, tighten the center. Now to end this round, what we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet, which is right over here. Insert your hook and go ahead and slip stitch. For round 2, chain 1. This chain 1 doesn't count as anything. Back into that first stitch, we're going to work 2 double crochets. Here's 1. And go back into that same stitch and work on your second double crochet. Into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. So here I worked 2 double crochets, and then in the following stitch worked on the second set of 2 double crochets, and that's the repeat, is working 2 double crochets into each stitch around. Continue working on round 2, and at the end of this round you should have 24 double crochets. To end round 2, slip stitch into the first double crochet. Round 3, chain 1. Back into the first stitch where we slip stitched into, work 2 double crochets. So here's 1. Go back into that same stitch, work your second double crochet. Into the following stitch, work 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. And into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. And that's the repeat. So you're going to work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And 1 double crochet into the following stitch. So continue working like this, and at the end of round 3, you should have 36 double crochets. To end round 3, go ahead and slip stitch into the first double crochet of this round. And let's fasten up. Cut your yarn. And this is how it looks like so far. Let's go ahead and add the petals. Round 4, we can start in any of the stitches, so I'm just going to pick one. Wrap my new yarn around my hook and pull through. I'm going to hold on to my yarn tail. Now chain 1. Back into that same stitch where we started. Work 1 single crochet, I'm going to work my tails in, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1 stitch, 1, and into the second stitch, single crochet into that stitch. Repeat, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1 stitch and into the following stitch, single crochet into that stitch. Repeat, chain 3, 2, 3, skip 1 stitch and into the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Continue working like this, and I'll meet you right over here to show you how to end this round. To end round 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, you should have 1 stitch left. Go ahead and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Round 5 will be our last round. Slip stitch into the first chain 3 space. Now we're going to be working the petal into the chain 3 spaces all around, and I'll show you how that's done. Chain 1, back into the same space, work 1 single crochet, work 1 double crochet. Now work 3 treble crochets. To work a treble crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook 2 times. Insert your hook into the space, bring out a loop. Here we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, here's my second treble crochet, and I need 1 more. Now back into this chain 3 space, work 1 double crochet and 1 more single crochet. And this ends one of the petals, and we're going to repeat this pattern. So into the next chain 3 space, work 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 treble crochets. So here's 1, 2, and 3, work 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet, and repeat. So jump into the next chain 3 space and work 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 treble crochets. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Now work 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet. And this is how it looks like. So continue working until the end, and I'll meet you right over here into this space. And remember, I'm going to be working this yarn tail into this petal. And so continue working like that, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Here I finished working on the petals, and I have 18 total. To end, all we're going to do is we're just going to slip stitch into the first single crochet, which is right over here. Slip stitch into that stitch and fasten off. Let's go ahead and work on the yarn tails. Go ahead and pull on this yarn tail 1 more time to tighten it. I'm going to insert my needle using my yarn tail. And here I'm just going to use our first round and insert my needle into back loops of those stitches and pull through. Going back where I started from, I'm going to drop 1 loop and coming right back down and go through. And one last time, I'm just going to go back up. I can even pick up more loops if I need to. And that's it, you're done. So go ahead and cut this yarn tail and repeat to this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.